Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Charger headlight. First, gather all your necessary tools like a ratchet, sockets, and a trim removal tool. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and disconnect the negative terminal of your battery for safety. Locate the headlight assembly, which is typically behind the front bumper, to prepare for access. To access the headlight, you'll need to carefully remove the front bumper cover. This usually involves unscrewing several bolts and popping out clips. Once the bumper is off, you can easily see the headlight assembly. Unscrew the mounting bolts that hold the headlight in place, typically 3 or 4. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors from the old headlight unit. Now, it's time to install your new headlight. Carefully connect the new headlight's electrical wiring harness, ensuring each connection is secure. Position the new headlight into its housing and secure it by reattaching the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug and properly aligned. Finally, carefully reattach the front bumper cover, ensuring all clips and bolts are back in place. With the new headlight installed, reconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal. Turn on your Dodge Charger and test the new headlight for proper function, checking both low and high beams. If needed, adjust the headlight beam using the adjustment screws, usually located on the back of the assembly, for optimal visibility and to avoid blinding other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.